Hey guys, it's your girl Clary. Welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today. In this video is we are going to review finally. Nakakuha na ako ng product from 20 Wendy. So kung gusto niyo pa raw tong video na ito, just keep on watching. So I have a product already from 20 Wendy. So what is 20 Wendy? So 20 Wendy is Love Patronite's makeup brand. Okay, look, ito yung makeup brand ni Love Patronite. So, if you know Love Patronite, she's a GL actress. And, of course, siya ang other half ng Milk Love. Siya rin ang mommy ni Mav Mav. So, we are going to review her makeup line. This is the 20 Wendy. So, I have the Floppy Top Lip and Cheek. How do I get this? Napakahirap ano to. This is a very rare product, rare makeup brand from Thailand. Bihira, actually very siya, mahirap siyang i-export dito. Meron siyang Shopee, however, kailangan mong bayaran via GCash, via e-wallet or Shopee Pay pag bibili ka sa kanila. Kasi hindi sila tumatanggap ng COD. Sila ginawa ko, ko sa Shopee ko. So, this is in the shade Baby. So, this is their Floppy Touch Lip and Cheek. So, this is a brand. So, this is a product na same formula with For You 2 ng kanilang yung mga pudding pots like Happy Skin for You 2 and originally yung Hui. So, ito ay shade na Baby. Baby, hindi sinong Baby, na anak ni Ofgan. B-A-B-I-E, Baby. So, we're gonna put this. Sa Thailand mo lang siya makikita ito. I wanted to try their products, pero ito lang muna yung ko. Pag pumunta yung friend ko Thailand, magpapahanap ako ng magandang 20 Wendy products. And i-share ko siya sa inyo. Okay. This one is more on a velvety finish. Ginamit ko ang silicone brush ni For You 2. Tsaka blendable siya, guys, ha. And this one, we're gonna put this sa cheeks. Okay. This one is very velvety yung finish niya. Sa lips, very comfortable siya. But this one, you need to emphasize, huwag masyadong maraming product kasi may intense. Huwag masyadong marami kasi may very pigmented siya. Pero sa akin, sakto lang. Because sakto lang yung product and look at it. Look at it. Gusto ko sakto lang. Gusto ko konti lang na damihan. Or you can adjust it because this product is really blendable and it's really adjustable all at the same time. So comfortable siya on my cheeks. Let's use this on my lids. Let's see kung gagana ang brush. Okay. Okay, gumana siya sa brush, guys. This product is a must try. Come on. Guys, this product is a must try talaga kasi this is very multi-use. You can use it sa cheeks, sa lips, and sa lids. Finally. Okay, finally, I have this Floppy Touch Lip and Cheek. Meron akong mga products na gusto kong i-try sa 20 Wendy. Sabi ko, pag pumunta doon yung friend ko, magpapabili na lang ako. Or yun na lang pasalubong niya sa akin, one of 20 Wendy products. Kasi I've been aiming to try 20 Wendy products for so long. Brand to ni Love Patronite. Of course, I'm a mom. At saka pupunta din sila dito sa Philippines this month. Kasama niya si Milk. Yung Milk na mommy ni Mama. So, Mav supported this for so long. So, 20 Wendy, siya lang yung may makeup brand na sa lahat ng mga GLSR, siya lang yung may sariling makeup brand. Habang yung iba nag-endorse ng mga makeup brands like Even Boy like that. Pero siya hindi kasi may sarili siya. That's what I love about Love Patronite. This product is a good product, multi-use products. Ito na lang yung isang product na dadalhin nyo. Eyes, cheeks, and lips. You can use your hands for blending or brush for the eyes. Tsaka hindi siya ganun na parang sobrang pigmented niya. Sakto lang niya pagiging pigmented niya with this product. na-register siya sa camera. So, you better try this product from 2020. So, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video just over that. Like, share, and subscribe. Happy New Year, everyone, and bye-bye. See you in my next video.